Welcome. Dicks Carey Instructional Model. Dicks Carey is a classic example of performing an instructional design task systematically. They believe that the instructor, learners, materials, content, learning, and delivery system work together to produce the desired outcomes. It contains 10 components that are shown in the picture. 1. Identify instructional goal. Educators must determine what it is that we wish learners to learn through assessment, experience, analysis, and descriptive goals. Identify what the learners are expected to be able to do at the end of the instruction. 2. Conduct instructional analysis. The entry behaviors required of learners must be determined. The skills, knowledge, and attitudes, environment necessary to begin instruction. 3. Analyze learners and contexts. Identify learner behavior and learning style. Learners' current level of skill, personal preferences, motivation factors and attitudes are determined, as is the environment in which learners will learn and then use new skills. 4. Write performance objectives. The teacher writes specific outcomes of student learning. These outcomes outline the skills to be learned, the conditions under which skills are shown, and criteria for success. 5. Develop assessment instruments. Develop tests of various nature to evaluate the learner. The main purpose of these tests to ensure that learner should meet the performance objective as well as has proper knowledge. 6. Develop instructional strategy. Create blueprint of the learning activities that will transfer, develop, and provide knowledge to create best learning environment, as well as how students will practice and receive feedback before testing. An emphasis on current learning theories and research is placed on strategy selection within the context of learning. 7. Develop and select instructional materials. The artifacts of instruction are presented, such as a learner's manual, tests, and all other materials of instruction, modules, learning activity packages or handouts, interactivities, resources, etc. 8. Develop and construct. Formative evaluation of instruction. Data is collected on how to improve upon instruction through evaluation of the preliminary learning evaluations in the form of one-to-one evaluation, small group evaluation, and field evaluation are performed. The results of these evaluations provide valuable feedback on how to improve instruction. 9. Design and conduct summative evaluation. Summative evaluation is a type of evaluation that occurs at the end of a learning period or program to measure the overall achievement of students or groups. It assesses students' learning and whether they have met the established educational goals and objective. The most important step in which judge the worthiness of the entire program. 10. Revise instruction. The results of the evaluation shed light on the validity of the instructional analysis and assumptions of learners' behaviors and characteristics. The instructional strategy is reviewed and altered accordingly to be more effective. This final step can also be seen as the first step when repeating instruction. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey.